Meet the kakapo, the world's heaviest parrot, waddling through its lush New Zealand habitat. This charming bird can't fly, but can weigh up to 6 kilos and quite hefty. Despite its size, the kakapo is an excellent pilot, navigating its forest ease. Do you know that the kakapo has a unique, musty, sweet smell? This scent helps it blend in and also makes it vulnerable to predators. The kakapo serves part of its natural defense, but it faces challenges today. As a critically endangered species, the kakapo needs our help. Discover more about this quirky marvel of nature. Conservation is the fight to protect these incredible birds. Join the fight to save the kakapo and its home. Together, we can ensure their survival for future generations. Let's celebrate the kakapo and its unique place in our world.